A mysterious object just flew through our solar system. Some scientists believe it's not just a rock, but possibly an alien probe. Could it even be hostile? In November 2023, astronomers using the Pan-STARRS telescope system in Hawaii spotted something truly strange. Fast-moving object. Not orbiting the sun, not from our solar system, but flying in from interstellar space. They named it 3IATLAS, making it the third confirmed interstellar object ever observed after Oumuamua and 2I Borisov. But this time, something feels different. Its speed, trajectory, brightness, none of it quite adds up. The theory that shocked scientists. In early 2024, a controversial paper was published, and it didn't hold back. The authors proposed that 3I Atlas could be an artificial interstellar spacecraft. Worse, it might be a part of a hostile reconnaissance mission, like a drone scanning our planet. Yes, this isn't science fiction. This is an actual published hypothesis, and it sparked a firestorm in the scientific community. But what could possibly lead researchers to such a bold claim? Why 3I Atlas doesn't act natural? Let's break it down. Speed. 3I Atlas is unusually slow for an interstellar object. Typically, such objects travel over 40 kilometers per second. This one is just above 27 kilometers per second. Trajectory. It's too linear, almost like it was deliberately aimed. Lack of tail. It shows no outgassing, no dust cloud, no comet-like tail. Brightness. Its light curves fluctuate in irregular patterns, difficult to explain through known physics. These are red flags, and they're eerily similar to the red flags raised about Oumuamua, the first interstellar visitor we observed in 2017. Flashback, Oumuamua and Avi Loeb. Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb proposed that Oumuamua was an alien light sail, a flat, thin structure propelled by starlight. Back then, many dismissed the idea, but now, just a few years later, we're seeing another object. 3IATLAS displaying similar anomalies. Could this be a coincidence or a pattern? What we know about 3I Atlas so far, here's what we've gathered. Discovered, November 2023. Detected by Pan-STARRS and the Atlas Survey Program in Hawaii closest approach, February 2024. At 2.6 astronomical units from the Sun current distance, approximately 4.8 astronomical units, and moving away. Trajectory duration, estimated to be on a 40,000-year path minus 20,000 years. Inbound, 20,000 outbound. And it's now drifting through space between Mars and Jupiter. It won't come near Earth again for another 500 years. So whatever it is, we won't get another shot at studying it anytime soon. Can we analyze it? Can we learn more? Scientists hope to analyze its composition by studying how sunlight reflects off its surface. But since it didn't pass close to Earth, we only have limited observational data. If it's a comet, we should see icy compounds like CO or H2O. If it's an asteroid, we'd expect silicate or metal. But with 3I Atlas, we're seeing nothing. And that silence is suspicious. So is it alien tech? Let's be clear. There's no solid proof that 3I Atlas is alien-made. We haven't captured images of antennas, propulsion systems, or any clear signal. But some scientists say that the absence of expected natural behaviors is itself a kind of signal. Maybe it's a survey probe designed to fly undetected, or even A Trojan horse, drifting until it reaches a target. Of course, it could just be an exotic rock. But how many times can we say that's weird before we accept that we may not be alone? Final thoughts. In a universe filled with billions of galaxies and trillions of planets, it's statistically more likely that intelligent life exists than that we are a cosmic fluke. So what's scarier? That we're being watched by something beyond comprehension, or that no one is watching at all? Science is about asking the tough questions. And sometimes the most important discoveries start with, what if it's real? So what do you think? Is 3i Atlas just a rogue rock from another star system? Or is it something more? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more science, tech, and space mysteries every single week. Tap the 2, join the science-backed journey across the cosmos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.